How are you before? Today we solve questions from Envision Math. First question, we want to estimate the product between two numbers. First question, we have here 6 times 125. We can estimate the number here. 125 leads to 100. Then 6 times 100 equals 600. So I will combine now between actual number and the estimation. Look at here, what is this? First, 6 times 100, it will be 600. Like this, 6 for that by 100 equals 600. This is estimation between the 6 and 125 product. Okay, we have to factor the product is simplified here 600 because 125 moves to 100. And next, we can find the actual number between 6 and 125. Starting from right hand side. We can write 5 by 6 equals 30, write 0 and carry up 3. And then 2 times 6 is 12. 12 plus 3 just after 12, 13, 14, 15. Write 5 and carry up 1. 1 plus 6 equals 6, and 6 plus 1 equals 7. The result will be 750. Then the actual number is 750. And the estimation, if we go back to numbers here, it will be 600. Now I will solve this question. 4 times 2,610. Look at here. We can find the answer of this question. 2,610 product by 4. This number leads to 3,000. Then we can write 4 times 3,000 because 2,610 leads to 3,000. In 3,000 times 4, we can product 3 times 4 is 12. And then write 3 zeros behind it. The result will be 12,000. It's approximation. But if you won't find approximating, or you can find the answer exactly 4 times 2,610. We can write also this number 4 times 0 equals 0 and 1 times 4 equals 4. And next 4 times 6 is 24. Write 4 and carry up 2. Okay? Carry up 2. 2 times 4 equals 8. 8 plus 2 equals 10. Then the answer will be 10,440. Okay? The answer of this question. Next, 538 times by 3. We must start from right hand side. Okay? My students understood? Next question. 3 times 538. We know this number leads to 500. So you can write here 500 for that by 3. Right, double 0 here, and 3 times 5 is 15. The result will be 1,500. And if you won't find the approximating, this approximating, okay, and the actual number, 538 times 3. 538 for that by 3. Start from right hand side. 3 times 8 is 24, right? 4 and carry up 2. And then 3 times 3 equals 9. 9 plus 2 equals 11. Write 1 and carry up 1. 3 times 5 is 15. 15 plus 1 equals 15. Then the result will be 1,614. Next question. 314 times 7. This number leads to what? 314 leads to 300. Then you can write 300 product by 7. Right? Double 0 and 3 times 7 is 21. The result will be 2,100. Okay? And the actual number is 314 product by 7. We can find the answer by right hand side. We know 4 times 7 equals 28. Write 8 and carry up 2. 1 times 7 is 7. 7 plus 2 just after 7, 8 and 9. You can write right here. And then 3 times 7 is 21. The result will be 2,189. 2,190. Okay? Understood the questions? Now I will give you another example. Listen to my students, listen to me about this question. 6 times 1 equals 268. We want to find the missing number here. First, we can product like this 264 divided by 6. We can find the other factor first by dividing the product between two numbers and 6. 6 here will be the divisor, and 264 will be the dividend. We want to find the quotient here. Divided by left hand side. 2 divided by 6, we can do it. Then 26 divided by 6. 6 times 4 equal 6 times 4 equal 24. So it leads to 26. So you must write 4 here. because 4 times 6, 24, and remember 2. The result up here, remember. Then 24 divided by 6 equals 4. So this number will be 44. So you must write here 40. 40 plus 4 equals 44. Okay? Then the missing number here, we must write false. We asked about missing factor. The missing factor will be 40 plus 4 equals 44. Okay? So the missing factor will be 44. We have 6 times 40. 4 equal to 264. You can again solve it again. 4 times 6 to be 4, write 4 and carry up 2. And then 4 times 6 to be 4 plus 2 equals 26. Then we have two factors there. The first factor was 6, and the second factor is 44. 6 times 44 equal 264. Then the first factor here 6 and the second factor will be 44. 6 and 44. We have two factors. And next question here, look at the next question. Which are the partial products for these area models? We have 7 times 228. Who can tell me here the partial product? We can write first steps. Look at here. 7 product by 200. This number we can write as 104. 7 product by, we have 200. And then this number 20. And the third will be 8. Okay? And we can use distributive properties to find the answer. First step, 7 product by 200. Okay, 7 times 200, we can write that is here. And 2 times 7 is 14, the result will be 1,400. Okay? And next, 7 times 20. 7 times 20, right? 0 and 2 times 7 is 14, the result will be 140. And next question, 7 times 8. 7 times 8 equal 56. 7 times 8 equal what? 56, right? 56. Then we ask about the answer here. Which is the answer you choose? We have 56, 140, and 1,400. 1,400. Then you must choose the first answer. So you ask about which are the partial products for this area model. The partial product here will be right 1,400 and 140 and 56. Okay? Understood? Now I will give you another example. We will move this question, page 98. We have 34 and 5. We can use partial product to find the answer here. Look at the steps. First, we can use distributive properties about this example. 34 times 5. Look at here, 34 product by 5. First step, we know 4 times 5 is 20, right? 3 here. And 5 and 30. 3 here, the value of digit 3, it will be 30, but both 3 lies in the decimal. Then 30 times 5, it will be 150. Right here, 150 down. And then we can connect the number 0 and 5 plus 7. Right, well, this here will be 170. Okay. Next question. 5 or 264 times 5. Start with me. 4 times 5 is 3. And 30 times 5, it will be 150. The both 3 here lies in this place. Then 30 times 5, it will be 150. And also 2 here lies in 100 place. 200 times 5. Right, that is 0 here. And 2 times 5 is 110. And next step we can collect all the answer down. 20 plus 150 plus 100,000. Right, 0 and 2 plus 5 is 7. And that one result will be 1,170. Next question here, we can write also 1,234 product by 5. We need to find the answer by right hand steps, okay? 4 times 5 equals 20. First step, start with the right hand side, it will be 20. And next, I can write 0 here. 3 times 5 is 15, because the value of digits here is 30. 3 times 5, it will be 150. And next, we can write 5 times 2. 2 here lies in the hundredths place. Okay, I got 0 here. And 2 times 5 equals 10. And next, 1 here lies in the thousandths place. 1,000 times 5, it will be 5,000. Okay, and then we can collect 0 here. 2 plus 5 equals 7. 1 is equal 1. 5 plus 1 equals 6. The result will be 6,170. You can solve this example by another method like this. Look at with me. I will solve this question by another method like this. We have 1,234 product by 5. Start from right hand side. First step, 4 times 5 is 20. Right here, I carry on 2. 3 times 5, 15. 15 plus 2 equals 17. Right, 7 and carry on. And then 2 times 5 equals 10. 10 plus 1 equals 11. Right, 1 and carry on 1. 1 times 5 is 5. 5 plus 1 equals 6. So you can find the answer in one step like this. The answer will be 6,100 estimate. Okay? Okay, next question. Listen to me. I will give you today extra questions. Okay? Okay, my students, next question. Which are the correct partial product here? We have 3 times 3,672. Okay, you can use partial product plus questions. Look about right hand side. 2 here is a bars. 2 times 3 equals 6. And the second line is the teens. It will be 70 times 3. Right 0 here, and 3 times 7 is 21. Okay, and next question. We can write 600 times 3. Write double 0 first. And 3 times 6 equals 18. And then 3 lies in the sentence, right? 3 zeros here and 3 times 3 is 9. And then you can correct the answer. But he asked about the steps. He asked here, which are the correct partial product of 3 times 3,672? Okay? So we must write the first 6. And second will be 210. Yes? 180, 9,000. Okay, choose the 30. So we use here partial product to find the answer. And what about the next question here? Select all the expressions that have 1,600 as a partial product. Okay, listen to me. First, we can product by right hand side. Start 4 times 1 equal 4. Okay, write 4 first. Here, equal 4. And 4 times 8 is 32. Write 2 and carry out 3. 3 times 4, 12. 12 plus 3 equals 15. Write 5 and carry out 4 times 4, 16. 16 plus 1 equals 17. Then, the result will be 17,524. Next question. 8 times 0 equals 0. And 8 times 4 is 32. Write 2 and carry out 3. 2 times 8 is 16 plus 3 equals 19. 9 and carry out 1. 3 times 8 is 24. 24 plus 1 equals 25. So the result will be 25,920. Next question. 4 times 8 equals 32. But he asked in this example they want where 1,600. It's correct answer, but you don't need that. We don't need that. We need only the answer about 1,600. We need just how we can find this. Look at here. 4 product by 3, it will be 12, and double 0 mandate will be 1,000. Product 4 and 3 will be 1,200. And 8 times 2 equals 16, and write double 0 will be 1,600. It's right. So you want to do this, okay? He asked about the part of solution, not all solution, okay? Next question also, we can product 4 by 4 equals 16 and write double 0. The result will be 1,600, so you want to choose this also. Choose this, answer this answer. And next, choose, look at here, 2 times 8 equals 16 and write double 0. So you choose this answer also. And next question, 8 times 2, 8 times 0 equals 0. Don't choose this. And the first don't choose this. So you must choose 3 solutions. Solution here, or the first, because the answer about partial product, if you use distributive properties about any 3,240, you can find 1,600. So you must choose this. When you find the answer about product 4 and 1,400, the answer you can get 1,600, the part of solution. Okay, he asked you how, or select all the expressions that have the same 1,600 as the partial product. Okay, so you must choose this answer. Okay, today finished now about the questions. Next video, inshallah, I will explain new questions. Okay, goodbye, my students.